My name is Christopher Sveen. I'm here representing UBQ Materials, and we've basically developed an advanced waste conversion technology where we're able to convert unsorted waste into a bio-based composite material. Because let's face it, where there's people, there's waste. And literally everything we do creates it. So helping governments, helping municipalities properly manage their waste is critical if we are to achieve 11 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. But you know what? It's not just third world countries or developing countries. It's Paris on a strike. There's a volcano of garbage on fire in Greece. And at the end of the day, a zero waste approach is actually one of the fastest, cheapest, and most effective strategies we can use to be able to combat climate change. But you know what? There's actually magic in waste. And over the last 7 years, UBQ has spent $30 million to be able to unlock that magic in waste. Because waste is a resource. So if we can divert waste from landfills, from illegal dumps, from ending up in the ocean, in fact, to the factory of the futures like ours, we're actually able to then show that this unsorted waste, where we're taking the food waste, the organics, the banana peels, the chicken bones, the hamburger buns, to the typically unrecycled materials, like the diapers or the dirty plastics or the dirty paper and the cardboard. And what we're doing is we're shredding it, we're grinding it, we're drying it, and then we're actually reconstituting it into a brand new material that can look like the everyday plastic pellets that industry can use to produce the familiar products that they're manufacturing today, but just that much more sustainably. Why? Because our material is cosmically, it's almost molecularly different. We're breaking it down on a particle level and rebuilding it into a material that never actually existed before. This material has, and this solution, it almost sounds too good to be true. It almost sounds like 1, 2, 3. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but there is so much hardcore science behind what we have been able to develop with amazing scientists and specialists, Nobel Prize winners in biochemistry, to be able to present to you guys today that there is actually another solution available. Because here, today, at this pitch, we're talking about waste as a resource. But we really need to focus on these third-generation feedstocks. Because when we leverage those feedstocks, that's where companies like ours, UBQ, is actually able to reduce over 15 tons of CO2 for every 1 ton of our material. And in comparison to other conventional types of plastics on the marketplace, that is really significant. But what's 15 tons of gas? What is 15 tons of CO2? Well, to put it in a different way, it's almost like taking 3 cars off the street for a whole year. There's value in waste, there's magic in waste, and together we can really unlock it because benefits and solutions like ours that can provide low capex types of solutions that use much less energy, that have a phenomenal environmental impact, are the reason why we can actually show that there is value in waste. Waste is a resource. It's an untapped and highly valuable asset that whether you're in Paris or you're in Singapore or you're in New York City, that is an asset we can tap into. Because with UBQ, we're trying to go to a world of zero waste. We're trying to go to a world where everything matters. And together with your help, with the companies and the brand owners, the municipalities, and the different institutions that you represent, that's how companies and solutions like ours are able to take that next step. That's how we're able to scale. That's how we're able to have a much bigger impact. Imagine, for every 1 ton of waste that goes buried or burned, industry produces 71 tons of waste to reproduce that 1 ton. Together, we can maximize the materials that are already in circulation. UBQ, everything matters. Thank you very much.